This 7th gen Dell laptop was dropped off at the shop today because the user just wants us to put in a solid state drive and reload Windows 11. Now I know what you guys are gonna say. Windows 11 is malware, but the customer specifically requested Windows 11. And yes, I can hear you Linux guys now. Linux is better than Windows. But again, they want Windows 11, so that's what we're gonna install on here. And I can also hear you Rufus guys. Bro, just use Rufus. Okay, I think that's what we're gonna do on this one. And I'm gonna show you how. So we're gonna head over to rufus.ie and download the first executable we see here. Next, we're gonna head over to Google and type in Windows Media Creation Tool. Since we're going for Windows 11, we're gonna click here. We want to scroll down here to where we see the Windows 11 media installation media. So next we're going to run the media creation tool and hit accept, and we are going for Windows 11, so we're going to hit next. And this is where we're going to select that we just want to get the ISO file. So now that we have Rufus loaded, we're going to click on select our Windows 11 ISO. Basically, we're going to leave everything the same. We're going to make sure that our USB drive is currently selected. It will erase everything on the drive, so be careful about that. We're going to hit start, and then we're going to have all these options here. We're going to want to click remove requirement and TPM and secure boot check. We're going to remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account. We're going to create a local account just called user. We're going to set the regional options to the same values as the users. We're going to disable data collection. We're going to disable BitLocker automatically, and we're going to leave that last option there. Typically, you're going to want to use this last option here if you have a newer machine that's like basically 2023 or newer. But if you're trying to install on an older machine, we're going to go ahead and leave that option checked off. And then we're going to go ahead and create the USB. So we're going to go ahead and pop that Rufus USB in there. We're going to go ahead and turn on the computer and run it through the install. And with this install, this should bypass all the Microsoft requirements and the Microsoft account requirements once we get Windows all installed. So this installer is going to act just like a normal Windows 11 installer. We're just going to go through the install process. Okay, so we just got done installing Windows with the Rufus that we created. And as you can see right across the bottom, it immediately just booted to this screen where it says, I don't have internet. So we're going to click on I don't have internet. Don't even have to type in anything. It'll just allow us to install right into Windows with the user account without having to do any sort of bypasses. Yes, I know Windows 11 is malware. Yes, I know Linux is the way, but this is what the customer wanted. So we got Windows 11 installed on a new solid state drive, and this is another one that's going out the door. Oh, by the way, if you like this content and this is the content that you enjoy watching, give us a like and a follow. It helps push us up in the algorithm. It helps grow this channel organically. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.